Hey boys and ghouls, we have a brand new episode of Graveyard Carz coming at you this Tuesday on YouTube. We are featuring two of the most iconic vehicles ever built. You want to see it? That's this Tuesday, YouTube. Do not miss it. Yeehaw!
This week, grab your popcorn as we flash back to two famous Mopar machines.
One famous for TV and film, the other one famous for the drag strip.
A 1969 Dodge Charger, featured in the 2005 remake of The Dukes of Hazzard. It's the General Lee.
If you remember the freeway jump in the movie with Jessica Simpson, you'll remember this car.
A 1964 A100 truck, and tribute to Bill Maverick's Little Red Wagon.
This is a really super solid truck.
It's Mark Worman's Little Dead Wagon.
That vehicle is going to be the end of your father.
See the full restoration of both of these Mopar icons on this special episode of Graveyard Carz.
They're coming to get you, Barbara.